I'm back and I'm pumped. HTML5 audio element. Super stuff, super stuff. Let's have a look here. Going out to the W3 Schools tutorial on the HTML5 audio. And a couple of things to take a look at here. First of all, here are the audio formats that are supported and the browsers that support them. Now you'll notice once again, Chrome is the big winner. It supports all of the audio formats, but the standard is MP3 audio. And if you take a look across, Internet Explorer, IE9, yes, it supports MP3. Opera 10.5 and Firefox do not. Chrome does. In fact, Chrome supports them all, and Safari also supports it. So MP3 is the way to go. The only other format that surpasses it is the old WAV format. And of course, we want something better than WAV. So I think the action's in MP3s. Now, how does this audio tag work? Let me move this up a little bit. I've got the syntax highlighted in blue. We have an audio element, so we have an audio tag. It's a toggle tag. You turn it on and you turn it off. It has two required attributes. Source equals, and then the name of your audio file in quotes. Controls, and if you want the controls, you put in equals controls. And why wouldn't you? My goodness. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone in, once again, to Text Wrangler, and I edited our old page with Pete Seeger. Its title is now Smithsonian Folkways. I've gone in and I've changed the keywords to be Pete Seeger, Smithsonian Folkways, folk music, and blues. I've changed the author to Smithsonian Folkways, because after all, this is a division of the Smithsonian Institute. Then I've come in, I changed my heading at the top of my body to Smithsonian Folkways Samples. I've still got my Pete Seeger video, and I put Pete Seeger at a heading level 2. Now, the reason you couldn't hear Pete's voice on the previous screencast was I'm using an alternate input device for audio. And it didn't dawn on me that by doing that, I'm blocking out all of the audio input from my computer. So forgive me, and I'm doing the same thing this time. So we'll be able to see the player work. We won't hear it. But that's okay. Now, here's my audio. Again, I put in a header to the blues that has nothing to do with the audio tag. Here's our audio tag. My source is a file called blues.mp3 that's out in my project folder. And again, I've got a message for those poor saps who are using browsers that don't support HTML5 and its audio tag. Your browser does not support the audio element. Maybe I need to add something in there that perhaps you should buy one. Okay? So anyway, let's take a look at what our page looks like now. And just to be safe, I'm going to save that out. Don't remember if I did or not. Okay, now here's our old Pete Seeger page. All I did was edit the Pete Seeger page, so if I refresh, there we go. There's our Smithsonian Folkways samples with Pete Seeger and his video, and then there's the audio recording of the blues. Now the player looks very much like the controls on the audio video or the video. We can see that the program is almost an hour long, 56 minutes and 44 seconds. We can rewind, we can play, and we can change the volume. And I'm going to click on play. I can hear it, but unfortunately it's not recording it. But you can see the numbers changing. The numbers on the left are going up. We're at about 20 seconds now. And on the right, the numbers are going down, showing us how much of the program we have left. Okay, so that's all I've got for you on the audio tag. It's really just that simple and that fantastic. See you later.